Hello viewer, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to cover some short keys which will be highly required for your easy working environment with your LTspice software. As of now, I have already uploaded a video to install LTspice software, and there I have shown you how to make and simulate and analyze one voltage divider circuit. So now let's discuss about the short keys. So first of all, this one is a chart where you can find several short keys. I know this chart is so big that I cannot share in this PPT right now, and you may find that these are hazy to read. So that's why I will attach the link of this PDF, chart which is present in a PDF file, so where you can download your PDF, and in that PDF you will get the total chart. So we are going to discuss about this some very much important short keys which are taken from this whole chart. So these are those important and daily needed. So let's start. So first of all, I want to show you about the control X. So control X is, as we work on our computer, we know that control X we use to cut anything, any text or any image also. So here there are several components. Just say I have taken this capacitor, and now I want to cut this. So one option is by going to this one and then click on this capacitor, so it will automatically cut. But today in this video we will not discuss about any conventional way. We will discuss about short keys, so those short keys which we are familiar with. So I will go to this C1 capacitor. You can follow my cursor. This cursor is showing a hand indicating this icon, this symbol of capacitor, right? So and I am now using control X, so automatically the symbol has changed to a scissor, and if I just left click this, and it will be cut. So this is the short key of cut, that is control C. Now we will discuss about control this was for control X, and now we will discuss about control C. So let's say I have taken one ground here, and in circuits we need many other grounds, and let's say I have forgotten to draw another one. So I can just over my mouse on this, and by control C this icon has changed to copy icon. So it was a blinking a sign, but now it has become one, the cursor has changed to copy symbol. So if I left click here, it will be copied, and I can paste it here. So again I can copy, I can paste, copy, paste, copy and paste. So to escape from this, we will use the escape button, ESC. So this is how I can do. Now we will talk about F9. So F9 is very much important, because F9 is our undo key here. So if I am using function key, then by pressing the function key I will press F9, and for those keyboards who have directed connected with the F9 keys, they can directly just press the F9 key. So if I do F9, so you can see it is undoing the previous work. So this is what the F9 shortcut key. Now we will talk about control upward key and then Z. So control upward key and Z. So if I do these three, so it will make this icon, this cursor icon, to zoom in mode. Okay, so I am doing it again. control upward key Z. So you can see it has become in zoom in mode. So you can find that some other places it is written as redo key, but it's not redo, it's just control upward and Z to make the zoom in portion. So for redo we can do shift F9. Okay, so for undo we have done F9, and for redo we can do shift F9. So I'm going to do shift F9. You can see this is my so I have zoomed in, too much zoomed in, so I have zoomed out. So this is my ground which I draw. So by shift F9 I am redoing the work. So the short key we can find it from this side also. So now we will look over some other short keys like R, C, L, T, G, B. So basically R means resistance, C means capacitance, D means diode, G means ground, and V means voltage. So by default it will be DC. You can change it to any sinusoidal or any other bit source also. So here you can see that R, C, L, D, G, V. So L is for for inductor. So you know L is generally expressed for inductor, so it is the L. So these are the short keys. So this does not need any shift or control. So now we will look over control plus R, control plus E. So control plus R. So let me do that. So control R. So what it is doing? Is it doing anything? So basically for the control plus R, if you do only control plus R, okay, so you cannot find anything happening to this schematic options. But if I take let's say I am taking diode, so instead of taking from this one I am just pressing D, which I have told just now, right now. Now I am doing control R, so it is rotating the component. So to rotate the component, but the component must be selected first. So that is the reason of this control plus R, the important factor of this control plus R. So if I click now, so it has been rotated. Okay, but now let's say I want to directly rotate to 180 degree, that is I want to have a flip view. So for the flip view I have mentioned here, you can see control plus E. This is for flip view. So let me take that again. So I can take it from this icon or also from clicking D only. So control E, it has been flipped. So you cannot find any change because it is in a vertically symmetric way, symmetric figure. So let me first do control R. Now let me do control E. So you can find it is changing, right? So this is, it is flipping. So again I am doing control E, again control E, control E, control E. So you can do flipping by any way. So let's say given another example for this. So I am taking V means this voltage source. Now I am doing control E. So basically this is just sidewise flipping. So that's why you can do for any component, you can do this control E. And for voltage, if I can change this one, just like say control R, yeah, so control R, so I have rotated this and now I am doing control E. So the plus minus sign will be changed. So this is what about all the things, but still one important thing, and it is a tricky thing, is left. So let me first cut all this. So I am control X and now I will cut all the components which are present here, almost all. I will clear my sheet. So I have almost cutted it, and you can find that this 2 is still left. Yeah. So now let's say someone want to do any rectifier circuit. So for the rectifier, for the rectifier, the diode must be connected in a particular way, let's say this way. But now the wire, when I am putting the wire, so I have clicked the wire from the pencil icon and I am going to put the wires connected. Okay, let's say I want to connect this one. So but this all time the wire is moving upward or downward or rightwise or leftwise, that is in an orthogonal manner, in a 90-degree manner. It does not it cannot provide any 45-degree movement, right? So I am trying to make 45 but I am unable. So to clear this problem, so this is somewhat tricky. If you just hold the control key for some time, for some specific time, and now if you try, you can find that it is moving all the 360 degree in this plane. So I can put it now here and then there, but I am continuously clicking the, I am holding the control button being pushed, so I can do anything, just anything. So I am walking like the paint, right? So this is the whole short keys which I found it might be easy for you to work with LTspice. You need to make the LTspice as your own family member because this may be new to someone, so this is not so much tough. And for the simulation, I have shown the simulation for the voltage divider circuit in the previous video of LTspice. You can find it in our playlist, and for upcoming videos you will definitely find other simulation of circuits also. So at last, thanks to everyone who has visited my channel, this video. So you can comment your thoughts in this comment section under this video, and please like this video and share with your friends and other communities, and subscribe my channel for giving me motivation to create more videos, to explore more softwares. So thank you everyone.